Hello guys, and this is the last part of this tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how to make a basic and short 4D intro. Okay, so you're going to go to here. As you can see, I have got to just make a few things, change a few things because I've already done some while you've been gone. Right, as you see, I've got some water here. Now, I'm not going to show you how to get the water because it's a bit of a waste of time, but you'll be alright. You can look at a tutorial somewhere on YouTube. I kind of found it myself though, so yeah. Alright, click on this toolbar here, go down and go on light, and drag this blue line backwards until the number says about 400, and this green one about 500. There we go. Now you might need to come up here a little bit and go to this one here for the rotate. Now you see a little blue line here that needs to face your text. So there you go, and hit that. Click on light, go to general, shadow, and choose area. So that's the best one which I've used so far. And just do a quick little render. I'm going to pause it when it gets back because there's a bit more stuff happening, so it's going to take a bit longer than normal. Okay, now it's done. You have your text on steroids, your cool little shadow, and I've got my awesome little reflection in a kind of water thing. Okay, here's a little clue on the water. It's something to do with your plane and a few formulas. You might be able to figure it out if you don't want to watch the tutorial. Right, here's the fun bit, but can be quite awkward. Now you've got your light done, you're going to go to the same place you got your light from, but you're going to go to the very right and go to camera. Now if you zoom out, you see there's a little camera we can control here. Now we don't really want to do that, that's what the gay people use on telly. You want to go to cameras, scene cameras, and click camera. Now if you zoom in and out or whatever you do at night, I don't really want to know, you see that we are the camera. And I don't mean the camera in real life, I just mean on this. So, now, change from 90, I think yours would be at 90, to about 300 frames. Now, you're probably not going to use all them, but this just in case. Right, now, click this one here for automatic keyframing. Make sure your green bar's at the very left. Click this to record, oh my god, to make a little keyframe. And that will either go orange or blue there, look. So you grab this green bar up to about 60, and then you go to your next position. Now this won't be there when it's all done, obviously. So just be here. Don't worry about that. Right. I'm going to try and find a good position here. That's okay. Then you add another keyframe, and then you're going to go up to about 120 frames, and go to your next position. Fucking meow. Okay, that's a bit random, but who cares? Add another keyframe. And then go to 150 and go to your next position. Because this tutorial is just basic, I'm going to go here. Then you're going to add another keyframe. Okay. Now this is the last bit. You're going to go up to about 210. Okay. It's just lagged a little bit. It might be out of sync now. So if you bear with it, that'll be pretty cool. Okay, now go to your last position. And it's lagging again, so it's going to be extremely out of sync now. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I just really want to get this done. Okay, when you're at your last position, you're going to go on your last keyframe. Oh, hello auto. It's cool. Right. Yeah, now you've got your last keyframe selected, you can unselect your automatic keyframing, which is one in the middle. Drag your green bar to the beginning, or at the side there's a little box, which says where your current frame is, and you're going to type in 0. Okay. Now, click the green arrow, the forward one or whatever, and then it will start playing what you've just done. And once again, I apologise if this is out of sync, and I expect that it will be quite a bit. Okay, and make sure to pause. And this down here, I finished at 210, so I'm going to put 215 as the max frames. And now you're done. Just go to your render settings, this one here at the right, and go to output, and where it says frame range, put from 0f and 2 to whatever you just done. I've just got mine to 215, so I'm going to put that there, and it even puts an extra one on. Oh no, I just put 2215. That'll just render for a week. Okay. Now that's done. You're going to go to the top bar where it actually says render. Click on that and go to make preview. Now this is the bit which is going to lag a lot. It took me 5 hours to, no, about 6 hours to render a 10-second video at 700 by 405 image size. So yeah, just be aware of that. When you click OK, it will come to the bottom left, as you can see there, and it will fill up blue where it says calculate and preview. I'm going to stop that because I've already done that. Blah blah blah. Do you want to stop it? Yes, I do. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'm sorry again for the third time if it's out of sync for the last couple of minutes. I'm sure you're clever enough to get along with it. And if you have any requests or questions, send me a private message or a message in the comment box below, and I will possibly answer it. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.